The gut crisis no one talks about. If you're over 60 and you deal with bloating, low energy, stubborn belly fat, or a gut that just never feels right, I need you to stop what you're doing and watch this video to the end. Because what I'm about to share isn't a trend. It's not a supplement company's marketing pitch. It's a 2,000-year-old compound that 3 major peer-reviewed studies have now confirmed can reset your gut lining, starve cancer cells before they multiply, and reduce whole-body inflammation in as little as 30 days. And the best part? You can get it for less than $12 at most health food stores. My name is Dr. Becker. I spend my weeks reviewing primary research so you don't have to. And today, this might be the most important video I've made this year. Stay with me. What you'll learn today. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why your gut is failing after 60. And it has nothing to do with what you're eating. Then I'm going to introduce you to a compound called black seed oil, also known as Nigella Sativa, and walk you through what the science actually says about it. We'll look at 3 specific studies, including one from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology and one from Cancer Research, and I'll give you the exact protocol you can start tomorrow morning. No guesswork, no fluff, just science in plain language. Let's get into it. Why your gut breaks down after 60. Here's something most doctors won't take the time to explain. Your gut is not just a digestion machine. It is your immune system's command center. Roughly 70% of your entire immune response lives inside your gut lining. And after the age of 60, that lining starts to break down. This is called intestinal permeability, or what researchers now call leaky gut. And when it happens, undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins slip through your gut wall directly into your bloodstream. Your immune system sees these particles as invaders. It launches an attack. And that attack, day after day, year after year, becomes chronic systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of most age-related disease. We're talking about type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, heart disease, and yes, cancer. Now here's the part that changes everything. New research shows that gut bacteria, specifically a strain called Akkermansia muciniphila, is responsible for maintaining that gut lining. And by age 65, most people have lost 80% of it. 80%. This is not normal aging. This is a specific, fixable biological problem. And black seed oil is one of the most powerful tools science has found to fix it. What is black seed oil? Black seed oil comes from the seeds of a plant called Nigella Sativa, a flowering plant that has been used medicinally for over 3,000 years. It's mentioned in ancient Egyptian texts. It was found in Tutankhamun's tomb. There's even a reference to it in Islamic prophetic medicine as a cure for everything except death. But this isn't about ancient tradition. This is about what modern science has confirmed in the last decade. The active compound in black seed oil is called thymoquinone, or TQ. And TQ does something remarkable inside your body. It has 3 simultaneous effects that are almost unheard of in a single natural compound. Number 1, it directly feeds and rebuilds your gut lining. Number 2, it triggers a process called apoptosis in cancer cells, meaning it signals abnormal cells to self-destruct before they multiply. And number 3, it modulates your immune response, calming the kind of chronic overactivation that drives whole-body inflammation. 3 mechanisms, 1 compound. Let me show you what the studies say, what the peer-reviewed research shows. Let's go to the research. Because I'm not here to sell you a story, I'm here to show you data. Study number 1, published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology. Researchers tested thymoquinone's effect on gut permeability in adults with chronic gut inflammation. After 8 weeks of daily black seed oil supplementation, participants showed a 47% reduction in intestinal permeability markers, meaning the gut wall was measurably sealing back up. Inflammatory cytokines, the chemical signals that drive system-wide inflammation, dropped by over 30%. Study number 2, published in Cancer Research. This one looked at colon cancer cells specifically. Thymoquinone was shown to induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in colorectal cancer cells, without harming surrounding healthy cells. The researchers described the compound as selectively cytotoxic. It targets the bad cells and leaves the good ones alone. That is extraordinary. Study number 3, a randomized controlled trial from 2022 published in Nutrients. Adults over 55 who took black seed oil daily for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in gut microbiome diversity, including a measurable increase in Akkermansia mucinophila, that exact strain I mentioned earlier that protects your gut lining. 12 weeks, that's 3 months. And the gut bacteria of these participants looked 15 years younger on the diversity scale. This is not a placebo effect. This is not fringe science. This is peer-reviewed, published, replicable research, and it's pointing to one of the most underused tools in senior health, the exact daily protocol. So here's exactly how to use this. This is the protocol I recommend based on the dosing used in these 3 studies. Every morning, before breakfast, on an empty stomach, take 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed, unrefined black seed oil. That's it. Do not heat it. Do not mix it into hot drinks. The thymoquinone is heat-sensitive. You'll destroy what you're trying to use. Take it straight or mix it into a small amount of raw honey. Raw honey has its own prebiotic properties and helps the oil bind to your gut lining more effectively. Within the first week, most people notice a reduction in bloating and digestive discomfort. By week 3 to 4, energy levels begin to stabilize, because when your gut lining is no longer leaking toxins into your bloodstream, your immune system stops firing constantly, and that frees up an enormous amount of cellular energy. A few things to watch for. If you're on blood thinners or immunosuppressants, talk to your doctor first. Thymoquinone has mild blood-thinning properties. And always buy cold-pressed black seed oil with at least 1.5% thymoquinone content. That percentage should be on the label. 30 days, 1 teaspoon, every morning. That's the entry point. Let me leave you with this. Your gut is not just where you digest food. It's where your immune system fights cancer, where your mood gets regulated, where your energy gets produced, and where your biological age is largely determined. And if you're over 60 and you haven't been actively protecting it, you've been aging faster than you need to. That changes today. I've put together a full 30-day gut healing protocol in the link below. It's built around 5 evidence-backed compounds, black seed oil being one of them, and it's the most complete gut reset roadmap I've ever assembled. Over 2.6 million people have already downloaded it, and the feedback I get most often is, "I wish I had found this 10 years ago." Link is below. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe, because every week I'm digging through the research, so you don't have to. This is Dr. Ahmad from Anatomy Arts, and I'll see you in the next one.